In this lesson, we are going to explore some of the events that are associated with the marker component. One of the most basic events is onClick, which is triggered when the user clicks on the marker. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this label. We can also remove these two options. Alright, let's go ahead and add the onClick event handler. Set onClick to a function that we'll call marker clicked. Above, let's define the marker clicked function. Inside it, for now we can simply log a message to the console. You have just clicked on the marker. Now let's put this to the test. We'll open the console and observe what happens when we click on the marker. As you can see, it logs the message. You have clicked on the marker. Okay, what makes these events on the marker even more interesting is that they come with the event object. This event object carries a bunch of valuable properties, especially for geolocation applications. In our marker clicked function, let's pass the event as an argument. Here, we can simply log the event to the console. Now let's head to the browser and test this out. As you can see, we have access to a variety of objects tied to the event, opening up numerous possibilities for interaction. But let's take a closer look on this one particular property, the lat, LNG. If we expand it, you can observe the latitude and longitude of the marker. Fantastic. How about we log these values instead? In the code, instead of console logging the entire event, let's make it more specific. We'll replace console.log event with console log event.lat lng.lat for latitude. And duplicate this line, changing the second instance to lng for longitude. Now let's go back to the browser and click on the marker. As you can see, we've successfully logged the latitude and longitude values. Hang in there, as in a couple of lectures, you'll witness how valuable this information can be. Okay, now let's explore another event, onDragEnd. As the name suggests, this event is triggered when the user finishes dragging the marker. Let's go ahead and add it to our marker. Set onDragEnd to a function that we'll name marker finish drag. We'll define this function at the top, and it will also take an event object as a parameter. Inside, we'll log a message to the console. You finished dragging the marker, followed by the event. Let's give it a try in the browser. As you can see, it's working beautifully, and we have the same objects as before. Now how about when we finish dragging the marker, we log the final latitude and longitude of the marker. Alright, let's do just that. We can simply copy these two lines of code from the previous function and paste them here. Before these lines, we'll include the final latitude is, and the final longitude is. Now let's take a look. When we finish dragging the marker, you'll notice that the new coordinates are printed on the console. Awesome. In the next lesson, we will explore the info window component from the Google Maps API.